Hello everyone. Let's explore the partner account settings in MT ONE. In this section, we will explore all the available settings in MT ONE. Click on the MT ONE drop-down menu in the top right corner. Here you will find 4 options: Profile, Subscription, Buy Premium, Integration, and Logout. Let's explore them one by one. Profile first. Click on Profile. Here, you can view and update your profile information, including your name, mobile number, and location. To make changes, click on the Edit button and update the required fields. Once the changes are complete, click Save. Your profile has been updated successfully. Subscription. Next, open the subscription section. Here, you can view your subscription details, including current status, start date, expiry date, and remaining days. You will also find quick action options such as upgrade plan, contact support, and refresh status. These options help you easily manage your subscription. Buy Premium. To explore available plans, click on Buy Premium. Integration. Now let's move to integration. From here, you can integrate MT ONE with various platforms, including 99 Acres, Email Campaign, Facebook Ads, Facebook Story Ads, Google My Business, GMB, Housing.com, and many more supported platforms. Simply select the desired platform and follow the integration process. Log out. Finally, click on Logout whenever you want to securely sign out of your account. And that's it. We have successfully explored all the settings available in MT ONE.